Good evening everyone. My name is Sanjay. I am studying in 5th class Utkarsh International Coaching Center, Bidar. I am solving this question. A student scored 18 marks out of 25 in first test and 22 out of 25 in second test. By what percentage did he score more in the second test? This question is very easy. I am solving this question. 18 divided by 25 into 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are. 18 fours are 72. 22 divided by 25 into 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are. 22 fours are 88. 88 percentage, 72 percentage, minus 16 percentage, option C.